So we've got the mouse is being followed by that teeny tiny little foot, but at the moment it looks like the ant is going to do more damage to the foot. We want to change it to the other way around. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the scale of that image. Now, to talk about this, I'm going to go back into Scratch again. You see, the thing about the cat is it can have more than one costume. Unlike us, it can change its image, and if we want to therefore muck around with that image and change, say, its scale, we need to first find out which image the cat is wearing. Well, it's exactly the same in Greenfoot. We can have more than one image that the instance of that foot is wearing. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what that image is, and then we change it. So to do that we're going to use a little Greenfoot command called getImage. In fact, we could even call it costume if you liked. It's the same kind of thing. So I type in, now this again, we're now using another one of these built-in sets of libraries, and this is Greenfoot image for this one. So we're typing Greenfoot image. And in this case now, I'm going to call it image, but you could call it anything. And this is equal to getImage. And you may think, well, why bother getting the image? But you could have more than one foot on the screen, and they have different images. So what this is actually saying is the foot that's actually running on the screen at the moment, we're going to get that image, and then we're going to change it. So whatever you're wearing, I'm now going to call image. Whatever image you happen to be is now going to be known as image. Okay, so rather than programming the whole class of images and changing the image it starts with as a class, we're going to change the image or a property of the image that it actually happens to be wearing at that instant. And that's why we have to do that. So we have to find out what clothes you're wearing. It's a bit like me saying, okay, you're going to wear a fancy dress, and anyone can go out and you can all wear the fancy dress. And at the party I say, okay, all the clowns have a red nose to wear, and I only give the clowns a red nose. So anybody could have put on the clown costume, but it's only the ones that wear the clown costumes at the time that I want to have them have a red nose. Same kind of thing here is that foot could be in the class. We could have changed the image at any number of stages. So what we're saying is, okay, whatever costume you're wearing now, I'm going to refer to that costume as image. Now, so that's what that does. And now we've done that, and we know what costume or what image it's wearing, we can simply change its scale. So we go image, which remember is that there, that bit there is that. Part of that is scale. And in there, we're looking at how many pixels by how many pixels. It's not a percentage, this is a size. So 50 pixels X across by 50 pixels tall Y. And there we go. And I compile that. It's very happy. Excellent. I close that down. And now when we run this, you notice that that foot is now 50 pixels by 50 pixels. Okay. So I'd like you to do that now. Away you go.